Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is May 14th, 2013. Me and Pepper are back up here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, and it's a really hot day here in Minnesota. Year of extremes. I tell you, we had a super late fall. The lake's only been out for 2 weeks here on Norris. Lakes up north are still frozen, and it's 96 degrees. But anyway, we brought 5 motors with us tonight to run. We'll see how far we get. It's really choppy out here, so we'll see how far we go. But anyway, we'll start with this one here. This is a 1986 99 Gamefisher. It has a newer hood on it, but it is a very low hour motor. It really runs out strong. So anyway, we'll give you a little demonstration on this one. Don't forget the shakiness of the video. It's really windy out here in Whitecaps. Nice motor. Okay, that'll do it for this one. We'll get another one out of the truck. Thank you for watching. Bye.